In this video, we are going to talk about the field combo box. So we're going to use the field combo box for searching records. So before we search a record, we need to specify which field we're going to use in the criteria for us to find or to filter records from the database. So going back to our application, okay. So as you can see in our application, if you run it, okay, there's nothing yet in the combo box here. So we need to supply the essential fields here. Okay, just like the person ID, the surname, the first name, the middle name here, so that every time we click on the specific model or table, okay, the specified or the field of these tables should be uh, inserted in this combo box. Okay, so to do that, okay, on the persons, when we click the persons or the our model, okay, our tables, if we click one of it, okay, we need to update the models click. Okay, so when the model is clicked, so we go here, and then at the bottom we add, okay, we will add a calling to a particular sub. So we're going to call the sub, okay, populate search combo. Okay, search combo. So because it is a combo box, we are going to populate the search combo, okay, with fields. Okay, so in this case, we're going to pass two arguments. So we're going to pass the model, okay, that fields, okay, table fields, and of course the combo box. So the combo box is this one. So we need to name that. We need to name it like as TS combo fields. Okay, so you need to change the name to TS combo fields. So I already changed the name of this object to TS combo field. Okay, so in our program, we are going to add that as a parameter. Okay, so we have TS combo, okay, combo fields. Okay, so let's check the name. The name is TS CBO field. So we need to specify it clearly. This is CBO fields. Okay, so this is in green, in blue zigzag line because we did not yet created the sub. So at the bottom we add the sub. Okay, pop search combo. Okay, so we'll call this, okay, and the definition is here. Okay, it's like that, and then we're going to define now the sub. Okay, so whenever this is called, okay, the statement here will be executed. Okay, so the first parameter is a string, so we're going to declare a bival variable which will hold the string of fields. Okay, so whatever the fields of a particular model or table, okay, we're going to store it here, okay, as a string, and then followed by this combo box. But this is not a regular combo box, it is a tool strip combo box. So we pass this through the CBO or the combo, okay, as, so this should be by reference, because we are going to change, okay, we're going to change our combo box because we are going to add items to it. We need to pass it by reference. Okay, so the combo as tool strip combo box. Okay, so the data type is tool strip combo box. It is an object actually. Okay, and then inside this definition we're going to add the code. Okay, the code of this sub. First we're going to declare an array. Okay, an array that will hold, okay, the fields of each table. For example, okay, these are the fields of the combo box of the model. Okay, as we defined in our model, this is tbl field str, and all of this will be stored, will be passed through here, through these table fields here. Okay, str fields, but we need a separate string for each field. That is why we need to split it, okay, in an array. So in this case we're going to use array fields, okay, as the variable name, okay, as string, and immediately we're going to split. So split here is a function that will chop the different strings into pieces. Okay, so we're going to chop the str fields. Okay, str fields. Okay, and then the delimiter is the comma. So as you can see here at the delimiter here is comma. To separate each field here, we can use the comma. Okay, since this is an array, we need to place here, okay, parentheses. So we need to add the parentheses here so that this field becomes turned into an array. Okay, so and then we are going to add now the items. So once it is splitted, it will be stored in an array. But how are we going to input this into the combo box? Okay, how are we going to input it here? Okay, so in this case we're going to use a loop. Okay, so I will declare a variable for the iterator. So I will use I as byte. Okay, and then we're going to clear first the combo box, the combo box. Okay, we're going to clear the items first. Okay, so that, okay, any other data entered into it will be cleared first before storing the values from the array fields. And then we're going to use for, okay, for I is equal to 0, okay, to the array, or to the u bound, okay, upper bound of the array fields. Okay, then okay, and then we're going to add at the combo, okay, that items that add, we're going to add the value of array fields, okay, in each particular index. Okay, so that is how we populate the combo box. So if we run this one, and click on the persons, if we check the combo box, we now have the names of these of our fields. Okay, these are the fields of our table person. So we have the person name, person first name, middle name, name extension, sex, and civil status. So we can see we do not have the person ID because we only pass the fields, table fields. So to do that, okay, we're going to return to the code, and then we modify our calling program. We're going to add also, okay, model dot table pk, because we're going to use the primary key. Okay, we concatenate it. Okay, for the first argument we use this one. Okay, we're going to concatenate it. Okay, but if you specified here the primary key at the fields, you do not need to do this. Okay, so if we're going to check this one and then click persons, we now have the person ID. Okay, if we click on departments and check here, we only have 2 fields. Okay, we have only 2 fields. Okay, so as you can see also, there's a space here. If you want to remove that one, we can just do it like this. To remove extra spaces, we're going to use stream. Okay, to remove trailing blocks, okay, before and after the string. And if you're going to run it, click persons. Okay, you can see there's no extra space before the field names. So that is how we populate our combo box. This is very essential when we're going to search a record. For example, if you want to search a record, for example, we're going to search the person ID 9, okay, just like that, and then click find. So we need to specify the field. Okay, so this is very important. So that's all for now. We are going to deal with the find and filter in the next video.